Hello, how are you? I feel very bad because the world is in a very delicate situation, and if we don't do something now, in the near future it will be very difficult to reverse the damage we have done it for a long time. Did you know that the world uses 160,000 plastic bags every second? So, if we don't reduce plastic bags, there will be more soil pollution. If there is more soil pollution, the pollutions will evaporate and cause air pollution. The solution is make garbage collection campaigns. Did you know that the plastic degrades into smaller pieces that stay in the environment and they contaminate it? So if I don't recycle plastic bottles, I will throw them away. If I throw them away, I will pollute the environment and I will make damage to the planet. The solution is buy reusable bottles.
Is the world's largest producer of carbon dioxide. If I produce a lot of carbon dioxide, it will be more air pollution. If there is more air pollution, there will be more respiratory diseases. The solution is reduce the use of fossil fuels. Animal agriculture is responsible 18% of greenhouse gas emissions. If we consume a lot of meat, it will produce more carbon dioxide. If there is more carbon dioxide in the air, there will be more air pollution. The solution is use public transportation or carpooling to reduce gas emissions.
Did you know? Every year 2.2 billion tons of waste is dumped in our oceans. If I throw trash in the oceans, it will affect aquatic systems. If it affects aquatic systems, we will have more injured species. Solution: put your trash into the trash can. In 5 years, some species are become extinct. Did you know? We can consume less than 1% of water available in the world. If we use water without control, it will be less drinkable water. There will be more people with waterborne diseases. Solution: close the faucet when you are washing your teeth. We can live without water in 5 years.
Acidification of the ocean is the worst type of pollution. If I throw trash to the ocean, its acidification will increase. If acidification increases, it will affect aquatic ecosystems. In 5 years, aquatic ecosystems may be destroyed. One solution: reduce carbon dioxide emissions. And you know deforestation grows at the rate of 17 million hectares per year. If I cut up a tree, there will be less animal habitats. If there are less animal habitats, animals will be migrate and die. In 5 years, many species of animals are likely to be in danger. One solution is participate in preparation program.
6 to 8 million people die annually from waterborne diseases. If I throw trash into rivers, lakes, or oceans, I will pollute water. If I pollute water, I will make there less drinking water and more waterborne diseases. One solution is don't throw trash, rivers, lakes, or oceans, and take care of them. In 1855, science discovered that 50% of the ozone layer was disappearing in Antarctica. If I use the car excessively, there will be more air pollution. If there is more air pollution, the ozone layer will disappear. One solution is use bike, use public transport, or walk to near places instead of using car.
Air pollution is the fourth largest risk factor for premature deaths. If I use an old car, it will produce more carbon dioxide. If it produces more carbon dioxide, there will be more air pollution and it will cause more deaths. Maybe in 5 years we'll have to use masks all the time. Another problem is the sea temperature. This has increased 0.3 degrees since 1969. If greenhouse gases increase, ocean temperature too. and the aquatic ecosystem will be affected. The solution for these two problems is to stop using fuels that produce greenhouse gases.
We have already destroyed 27% of coral reefs in the ocean. If sea temperature increases, will disappear the coral reefs. If the coral reefs disappear, soil erosion increases and makes inhabited places. Solution improves our property energy and use habits home. Without reefs in 5 years, will dramatic increases poverty and political instability. The certification puts in danger more than 100 countries. If more glass lands, there will be more desertification. If there is more desertification, there will be more CO2 in the air. Solution: preventing this problem through awarding campaigns. In 5 years, with the certification, we can run out without fertile lands.